Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited about today's video because I get excited anytime I get to talk about the holidays. As you can see with the title, today I'm bringing you 7 stocking stuffers you can get from Amazon for under $10. Kind of. So if you want to see what those are, then just stay tuned. Okay, I said kind of because the first one I have to show you, and it's the only one that is actually over $10, but it's actually $11, but it's still really cool, and I still really want to recommend it to you guys. This is actually mine. Like, I use this for myself. The rest I kind of bought, you know, to buy, actually, except one other thing. But the rest, most of them I bought to give, you know, other people, but this is actually mine. Like, I actually use this. This is the Q&A a day, 365 questions, 5 years, 1,825 answers. So basically it's just a journal, and every single day you open it up and, you know, they ask a question. So June 2nd, the question is, should you trust your instincts? And, you know, it goes by the years there, so you can open it up and, you know, after having it for 3 years, you can see you trusted your instincts June 2nd in 2018, but not so much 2019. I just think this is a cool little thing to have there. Yeah, I can't wait to actually get to the point where I've had it for years and years and years, but I wanted to let you guys know about this because I thought it was cool. You know, I think it's a cute little thing to do in the morning. I would recommend, like, you know, like reading in the morning first thing when you wake up. I had to stop checking my phone, social media first thing when I wake up because it sets the mood for the rest of the day. So I think this is a cute little thing to do. You know, when you first wake up in the morning. I have a couple other books that I go through first thing in the morning, but yeah, I just want to let you guys know about this. Next up, I have the What Do You Meme Basic Bitch expansion pack. This retails for $9.99. If you guys haven't heard of games like these, basically you get 50 caption cards and then 15 meme photo cards, and you basically have to match up the caption or, you know, just the best reaction picture with each caption win, stuff like that. This is one of the expansions. They have multiple of these, and, you know, you can just keep playing and playing and playing. If you guys follow me on basically everywhere else, actually, if you follow me on YouTube, I feel like you should know that I love me a good meme too, because I insert them into my videos. Like, it's a perfect type of game for me. I feel like this is the perfect, you know, Thanksgiving game, or if you do buy this as someone's stocking stuffer, you know, you could probably play it Christmas Day after you guys open it. I just think it's funny, you know, memes have become a part of our culture now. We use them in so many different ways. So I feel like this is a cute little game. Is there like an age restriction on this thing? Like, I highly doubt like any of the pictures are that. Ooh, oh, okay. Oops, my bad. My bad there. But, you know, here's a meme. Here's a meme. Oh, oops, we're gonna have to censor that one. All right, but y'all get the point. So, and they just go with the caption cards. When he's buying you drinks all night and you haven't told him you're on your period yet. Actually, these kind of go together there. So you get the point of the game there. The next thing I feel is perfect for anyone who's looking for gifts for anyone who is like under 18, because I feel like all of them own it. That is a PopSocket. This retails for $9.97, and this is the PopSockets PopGrip Swappable grip for phones and tablets, white daisy. If you guys don't know what a PopSocket is, I actually already have one on my phone. It's basically just this, you know, it pops out here, and it makes it easier for you to hold on to your phone, so you can still hold your phone without actually having to hold it there. And this has a little daisy design on it. I'm gonna put this on my, yeah, this one I bought from myself too, but, you know, you can gift this to someone else. They're usually like really cheap, and, you know, it gets the job done even though they're usually like really cheap there. So I'm gonna pop this on my phone right after I finish this video. Next thing I have is this At a Glance 2020-2021 pocket planner. Y'all know this is the time of year that everyone's like, I'm gonna buy a planner because I'm gonna be organized in the next year. And then, you know, like maybe you use it for a good 1 to 2 months, and then you kind of forget, and then you pick up again. Or maybe you're not like that and you actually use your planners, and that's just me, but I just told on myself there. This retails for $7.29. It's a pocket planner. I use the Erin Condren planners, and those are like big block square planners. If you know the person that you're shopping for isn't about that life and probably isn't going to use it, since that planner is like $60. You know, you can never go wrong with a little pocket planner, little dates that you gotta jot down. Again, unless you're Haitian and that you just use envelopes to write down, you know, dates and appointments that you might have. You can never go wrong. You can easily throw this in your purse or in your backpack, whatever, anything like that. And you know, just quickly jot down anything that you need. This cute little design. They have other ones on Amazon. So again, you know, cute little stocking stuffer. And the last three I have, I feel are more for if you're shopping for like a makeup lover there. These are the Erase Your Face Makeup Removing Cloths. This retails for $9.99. They're just makeup removers, but you know, they're cloths. They're not the wipes that you just throw away after each use. You know, you use them, you wash them, and I feel like more people are moving more towards these because, you know, waste of using a wipe that you throw away every single time you do that your makeup. And I don't know, I've been seeing people say that makeup wipes aren't good for your face, so I feel like that's another reason people are moving towards these. I actually have makeup gloves, makeup removing gloves that I actually want to do a video on, so maybe I'll do a video showing how those work. But you get 4 for $10. Okay. This is the BEAKEY 5-piece makeup sponge set. This is the Amazon choice. All right, it has 4.5-star reviews out of 4,249, and this retails for $8.99. It's just a set of makeup sponges there. I feel like I saw something from Sephora that looked exactly like this, like same colors, pretty sure you get the same amount and stuff like that, but it's sold at Sephora, so it's not gonna be the same price. So let me find out. Whatever it was, you can get on Amazon for like probably 1/3 of the price there, and it still has good reviews. This is the BS Mall Makeup Brushes Premium Synthetic Foundation, Powder, Concealers, Eyeshadows, Makeup 14-piece brush set. This retails for $9.99. It is also an Amazon choice, and it has 4.5 stars out of 7,857 reviews. I've seen this reviewed a few times on YouTube. I feel like a lot of people say, like, if you're looking for a good affordable brush set, this is what you should check out here. It's $10 and you get 14 pieces. So if you got like a makeup lover out there who is a beginner, you know, you're not trying to buy them Sigma brushes. I don't remember how much Sigma brushes cost like individually, but I know they ain't cheap. So if you're not trying to buy them Sigma brushes, but you're trying to give them a little something so they can play in makeup, like this is a good starter set here. Or if you're just looking for something affordable, and if you're looking for something affordable and not these and not from Amazon, BH also has a set that I think is only like $30 or something like that. So check them out. So that was it, you know, just a quick little video of some things I feel like you could throw in the stockings and people would still get good use out of them, and they wouldn't cost you an arm and a leg there. If you have any other things that you would recommend throwing in the stocking stuffers, leave them in the comments down below. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So I hope seeing this has given some of you any ideas, any ideas of some things you might want to pick up for some people out there. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.